It's our blizzard drive.
Takes me back to the prairies.
El Capitan.
When will we get back home?
We'll be back home soon.
We'll be back home soon. Just takes a little long.
We saw that the snow was coming down. Dante, no. We saw that the snow was coming down and that there was lots of wind and that the roads were covered with very slick, icy snow. And we decided,
Let's go for a
let's
drive.
go for a drive to Michael's and pick up some felt for crafting.
We didn't necessarily know it was this bad.
Yeah, I was okay. I was okay with it.
Pardon?
Just the other drivers that you have to look out for.
We're on our way to Reese's birthday right now. So.
Go slower than you normally would. Give yourself lots of stopping distance. Don't follow too closely behind.
And remember,
Be very careful around corners and on hills, both up and down.
And remember that your friend's birthday party is at 2 o'clock and not 2:30.
Yeah, that's Mommy's bad.
Oh well.
Oh well.
One, two, three. Go. A little anticlimactic.